Marcos from ECCPP Auto Parts, here to show you our brand new upgraded towing mirror. Our towing mirror is built for any 1999 through 2007 Ford Super Duty, F250, 350, 450, and 550. This particular model is built with the cool amber light turn signal for properly optioned trucks. It also comes with an upper adjusted power mirror with power heating, a lower panoramic mirror, manual folding, and manual telescopic extenders which increase road safety and visibility. In addition, our towing mirror comes with the same 4-pin mounting locations, the OE connector, and an adapter for the earlier 3-wire round style plugs. Our towing mirror is built as a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror while updating the look and functionality of your vehicle.